The SEC's case against XRP appears to be nearing a decisive moment, with recent developments in the regulatory landscape suggesting that a resolution may be imminent. The SEC's decision to dismiss its lawsuit against Coinbase has sent shockwaves through the market, fueling speculation that a similar outcome could be on the horizon for Ripple and XRP. Coinbase, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the United States, managed to secure the dismissal of the SEC's lawsuit, signaling a potential shift in the regulator's stance. This has led many analysts to believe that XRP could be next in line to see its case dropped, a scenario that would bring an end to years of legal uncertainty and open the floodgates for institutional adoption. The market has responded positively to these developments. Bitcoin has surged to $99,000, while XRP remains stable at $2.68. While XRP has not yet experienced a major breakout, traders and investors are closely watching the ongoing legal battle, anticipating that a favorable outcome for Ripple could trigger a substantial price rally. The new SEC chairman, Mark Oweda, has already begun implementing significant policy changes, and with Paul Atkins set to take office soon, expectations are rising that the agency may pursue a more balanced and crypto-friendly regulatory approach. These leadership changes have raised hopes that XRP's lawsuit could be resolved sooner rather than later, setting the stage for a regulatory environment that fosters innovation rather than stifles it. The legal battle between Ripple and the SEC has been one of the most closely watched cases in the cryptocurrency industry for years. Some industry experts argue that the prolonged litigation has been a deliberate attempt to delay XRP's adoption, while major financial institutions prepare for its integration into the global financial system. Should the lawsuit be dismissed or Ripple emerge victorious, it would mark a watershed moment for XRP, unlocking a new phase of growth driven by regulatory clarity and institutional investment. Many believe that once the legal hurdles are cleared, XRP's price could surge dramatically as financial institutions begin leveraging its technology on a large scale. The broader regulatory landscape. The U.S. government has intensified its efforts to regulate the cryptocurrency market, signaling a shift towards a more structured and transparent approach to digital assets. That a new legislative proposal aims to allow the U.S. Treasury to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, a move that could pave the way for broader adoption across the financial sector. Historically, once the United States establishes a regulatory framework, other regions, such as Europe and Asia, tend to follow suit. Additionally, the growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies among high-profile political figures, including former President Donald Trump, suggests that policymakers are warming up to the idea of integrating digital assets into the mainstream financial system. The rising demand for an XRP ETF. Another significant factor driving interest in XRP is the increasing demand for an XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF. Matt Hogan, Chief Investment Officer of Bitwise, has emphasized the massive institutional interest in an XRP-based ETF, noting that the SEC has recently accelerated its approval process for multiple crypto ETF applications. This signals that institutional adoption of crypto-based financial products is rapidly gaining momentum. Meanwhile, Brazil has already approved a #XRP ETF, demonstrating that crypto ETFs are gaining traction on a global scale. This sets a precedent that could encourage other jurisdictions, including the United States, to follow suit. Ripple's president, Monica Long, has publicly stated that an XRP ETF would be a highly strategic financial product, as it would enable institutional investors to gain exposure to XRP in a regulated and secure manner. She further argued that an XRP ETF could unlock billions of dollars in institutional investment, which would have a direct impact on XRP's market valuation and liquidity. As more cryptocurrency ETFs gain regulatory approval, XRP is positioning itself as a leading candidate for institutional funds seeking exposure to digital assets. The evolution of U.S. crypto regulation. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies in the United States is evolving rapidly. The government has set a 180-day deadline, ending July 22, 2025, to establish a clear regulatory framework for digital assets, a development that could provide much-needed clarity for institutional investors and businesses. While the United States has not shown significant interest in developing its own central bank digital currency, CBDC, it has taken a groundbreaking step by approving the Ripple dollar stablecoin. This decision positions Ripple dollar as the only government-approved digital dollar in the United States, excluding competitors like Circle's USDC. As a result, Ripple dollar is poised to become a dominant player in the U.S. digital payments landscape. Because Ripple dollar is directly linked to XRP, it will function as a liquidity bridge for global transactions, facilitating fast, cost-effective, and highly efficient cross-border payments. This could have a massive impact on XRP adoption, as financial institutions and multinational corporations may begin integrating Ripple dollar as a seamless alternative to traditional payment networks. The future of XRP. The outlook for XRP in the coming months is highly promising. If the SEC ultimately dismisses its lawsuit against Ripple, it could trigger an unprecedented wave of institutional adoption, with growing demand for XRP ETFs, increasing support from financial industry leaders, and regulatory clarity on the horizon. XRP is strategically positioned to become a cornerstone of the next-generation digital financial system. The road to July 22, 2025. July 22, 2025 will be a pivotal date for the cryptocurrency industry, as this is when the United States is expected to implement its finalized regulatory framework for digital assets. If by that time the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple has been dismissed and XRP ETFs have gained approval, we could witness the beginning of a new era for XRP. With institutional capital pouring into the ecosystem, regulatory uncertainty eliminated, and new financial products built around XRP, the token could experience a historic surge in value and global adoption as the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve. XRP is emerging as one of the most influential digital assets with the potential to reshape the financial landscape. Investors, analysts, and market participants should closely monitor the upcoming developments surrounding Ripple, the SEC, and the broader regulatory framework. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay informed about the latest updates on XRP, ETFs, and the crypto market. Let us know in the comments what you think about the future of XRP and whether it will lead the transformation of the financial system.